What's up guys, this is Rapi Samstil, and today we have something exciting from DJI. This is the next generation of the professional Ronin series, the new DJI RS5 combo. For years, DJI Ronin gimbals have been one of the favorite tools for filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators. But today, cameras are getting smarter. We'll already have IBs, digital stabilization, and even AI features. So the question is, do we still need a gimbal in 2026? And what makes the DJI RS5 different from previous generation? Today, let's unbox it, check what's inside, and talk about the biggest upgrades. Let's go! Let's see what comes inside the DJI RS5 combo. Inside we have the DJI RS5 gimbal body, the battery grip, the tripod grip, camera mounting accessories, cables, and all accessories included in the combo package to help complete your filmmaking setup. The first thing you notice is the build quality. It still has the premium Ronin feeling. Strong, professional, but designed for creators who are always moving. What's new with the DJI RS5? So now guys, let's answer the biggest question. What's actually new with the DJI RS5? First, the 5th generation RS stabilization. First, DJI upgraded the RS5 with the new 5th generation RS stabilization algorithm. This gives better stabilization performance for different shooting situations. Walking shot, low angle movements, creative camera movements. The goal is simple: smoother cinematic footage with less effort. Because a gimbal today is not just about removing shake, it's about creating movement that tells a story. Next is the RS Enhanced Intelligent Tracking, and probably one of the biggest upgrades for solo creators, the new RS Enhanced Intelligence Tracking module. For someone like me who creates videos alone, this is very useful features. Sometimes the body behind the camera, you need to set up the camera, press record, and create. Now the RS5 can help track your subject and keep your composition while you focus on filming. For YouTubers, vloggers, and solo creators, this is a big upgrade. Next is the 2nd generation automated access lock. Another improvement is the new generation automatic access lock. When you turn the gimbal on and off, the arms can automatically unlock and lock. It sounds like small features, but when you shoot every day, small things make your workflow faster. Less setup, more creating. Next is improved balancing and Z-axis indicator. DJI also improved the balancing experience. With easier adjustment and the new Z-axis indicator, it helps creators achieve smoother movements because proper balance and movements are the secret to professional-looking gimbal shots. Next is the electronic briefcase handle. Another new feature is electronic briefcase handle. This gives you a better control for low-angle shots and creative movements. So whether you are filmmaking cars, travel videos, weddings, or cinematic b-rolls, you have more creative options. The battery and workflow improvements. And of course, DJI improved the overall creator workflow. Long shooting session, faster charging support, and setup designed for creators who need reliable equipment.
stars in her eyes, she had flowers in her hair. It was rain and thunder, but goddamn, I wonder if she was
So, who is the DJI RS5 combo made for? For me, this is perfect for YouTubers, solo creators, wedding filmmakers, travel vloggers, commercial shooters, and content creators, especially if you want your videos to have that smooth cinematic movement. So, this is my first look and unboxing of the DJI RS5 combo, and honestly, DJI is not only improving stabilization anymore, they are improving the entire creator experience, making it faster, smarter, and easier to create. But one, of course, specs are one thing, the real test is outside. So stay tuned because we're going to test this in a real world shooting.
just take me home. No,
And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Siquijor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Siquijor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Siquijor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Siquijor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. This is Rapi Sam Steel. See you on the next one.